In this short segment of the course, we will be going over navigation through a document. Let's start Word and create again a new document based on template as we did in the previous lecture. From the opening screen you get when you start Word and get the options you see here on your right panel, type in the online template search bar, Contract, and press Enter. As you see, Word searches online through thousands of available templates to find those that match the criteria we type in the search bar, and you see we get a list of different contract templates. Let's click on the first item and then use the arrowhead to the right of the template description window to scroll through the online contract templates. As you scroll, you'll find one that says Investment Club Partnership Agreement, as you see on my screen here. Let's click on Create to create a new document based on this template, and I will go over with you navigating through the document. By using the keyboard navigation keys and scroll bars, we move through the text. The page up and page down key are used to move the screen, page up and down, respectively, as you see here. I'm pressing the page up key, and as I'm pressing, the screen is paging upward in the document. Likewise, as I press the page down key, as you can see, the screen is paging downward in the document. You can also use the up and down pointing arrows on the scroll bar to scroll upward and downward through the document, respectively, as well as use the scroll button on the scroll bar, referred to as the elevator button, in between the arrows on the scroll bar to go to different pages or levels of your document by clicking on the elevator with your left mouse button, holding the left mouse button down, and moving upward or downward to scroll through the document. The elevator button shows how far you are from the top or bottom of the document based on the position it is in, relative to the entire document. Watch as I use the scroll bar up and down arrows to scroll through the document. As I click on the up arrow on the scroll bar, the screen moves upward through the document. And if I hold the left mouse button on the scroll bar as you see me doing now, the screen continually scrolls upward through the document as I continue depression of the left mouse button. Conversely, as I click on the down arrow on the scroll bar, the screen moves downward through the document, and by holding the left mouse button on the scroll bar, as you see me doing, the screen continually scrolls downward through the document as I continue depression of the left mouse button. The End key on the keyboard is used to move or position the cursor from where it is to the end of a line in the document. The Home key on the keyboard is used to move or position the cursor from where it is to the beginning of a line in the document, as you see me demonstrating here. I'm going from line to line, pressing the End of Line key, then the Home key, and using the arrows on the keyboard to go from line to line. In the next segment of the course, we will learn to delete, copy, and move text we have selected to different places in our document as we continue learning about basic text editing using Word 2016. This concludes this segment of the course.